Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to be talking about styling links. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so a lot of websites you see, like on the top, they'll have headers, and a lot of the headers are going to have links that are going to lead to different pages on the website. You might think those are just buttons, but those buttons are actually styled with CSS to be links that don't really look like links. And so when we're talking about styling links, like, of course you can style the color of the link, like you can make it pink, or you can make the background yellow and stuff like that. But there is also some specific things that are just unique to links, and these are called link states. So the first one is a colon link, and I, this is supposed to be in CSS, but right now I'm just showing you what each state does. So a colon link, this is just a regular unvisited link. So this is a link that you have not clicked on. And then next is a colon visited, and visited is a link that the user or you have visited. After that is a colon hover, and this is what happens to the link once you hover over it but don't actually click on it. And then after that is a colon active, and this is the state of the link the moment it is clicked. So now that we have gotten this out of the way, let's go and style this. So currently we have just a link that leads to Google, and now we're going to style these four states. And now we're going to style these four states. So let's start out with a colon link, and then curly brackets, and let's make the color of this aqua. So this is just a link that you have not clicked on yet. Then we have a colon visited, and then curly brackets. Let's make the color of this brown. Then let's do a colon hover, curly brackets, color is now gonna be, let's say, green. And then a colon active, let's make the color of this red. Okay, so we have this. So now let's go file, save on our CSS, file, save. So we have in our margin, in our HTML document, we have the link to our style sheet, which is CSS. Then we have a link to Google, and that is going to be our actual link. This link just connects our margin and our styles. And then now in our styles we have the four different states. So we have the unvisited, the visited, hover, and active states. So we have all that. And now that we have done all that, let's open up our file explorer. Let's double click on our file, and now it's going to open up a new Chrome tab. And let's look at our Chrome tab. So you see, we currently have our link color that is aqua because it has been unvisited. If we hover over the link, it's going to become green. So if we click on this, the link just became red. And I did make this a wrong link, kind of like I didn't make it properly. I didn't have a very correct link address, but that is fine. I was just really trying to just show the link. So let's head back. So we have the current one, which is unvisited, hover, and then you click on the link and it becomes red. And we haven't gotten to see the color of the link, after you visited it, because it was a bad link, so it didn't really, register. But you guys did see the three different properties. So if you want to see all the properties, I encourage you to find a link that actually works, implement it, and run all these properties on it. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Links are very useful in, web development, because they can allow you to transition from page to page. So this is definitely something you should not keep in your toolkit. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.